The safety guidelines for car seats have recently changed. Do you know if your child is in the right seat? I'm Miranda Connie. You're watching WPTV's Ask the Attorney web chat, and joining me today is Lance Ivy, a partner at the personal injury law firm of Lytle, Ryder, Smith, Ivy, and Fonrath. And Lance, good to have you back here on the show.
Thanks for having me.
This week's topic is just so important because I don't think people realize how many issues come with child car seats. A lot of people, a lot of parents out there, there's stats showing that I think the latest stat I read was something like 80% of parents don't know how to properly put their child in a car seat, or they don't have the right car seat for the right car, and now there's new changes in safety guidelines. Can you tell us about the latest safety guidelines?
Now the American Academy of Pediatrics recommends that babies stay in a rear-facing car seat for up to 2 years rather than the 1 year previously stated position.
So it's important that everyone knows that. Now there are different safety seat recommendations, as you just mentioned one, from birth all the way up to 12 years old. Where can parents get this information?
The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration website, NHTSA.org, or at our website, foryourrights.com, or Consumer Reports, or any other reputable agency that does research on safety car seats.
Now, even when parents do everything right, and there are a lot of parents that don't, even though they try, some car seats can still be dangerous. Has your firm ever handled a case where that happened to be the case?
Sadly, we have handled a number of cases for defective car seats, and most times it's because of a side impact. The car seat design was not protecting the infant or the child from the impact resulting from the collision.
What can parents do to help prevent injuries caused by seats? I mean, obviously you mentioned some websites that they need to go to make sure they're using the right car seat and they have it positioned right. But what can parents do?
Well, you have to do research. First and foremost, don't buy a used car seat unless you know the history, that it's never been involved in an accident.
Right.
Make sure it's been side impact tested, that it exceeds the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards, and most importantly, check with consumerreports.org and see the safety ratings for this particular safety seat that you're looking at.
Right, and products are being recalled all the time, so you need to check and make sure.
Absolutely, check and make sure there's no recalls or any large incidences of complaints for that type of product.
And aren't there some cases, though, where certain car seats work better in certain vehicles than others?
There are, and you have to also refer to the owner's manual to determine whether, in fact, the car seat that you're choosing is the right car seat for that particular vehicle design.
If a child or adult happens to be injured in any type of accident, is there any cost to hiring an attorney with your firm?
There's no cost. We pay the cost up front, and attorney's fees are conditioned upon recovery, so there's no cost to be borne by the consumer for pursuing a claim against manufacturer of a defective product.
Lance, thank you so much. Good to have you on this show.
Thank you.